is how you change the flapper or clean the flapper in this machine. First step, close this off so that your beans don't flow through. Run a couple of shots to take the hopper off. You push down and turn counterclockwise. That takes the hopper off. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. If you can zoom in here, come out here. There's 2 screws on top. 1, 2. You're going to want to unscrew those screws. Do not drop them down into the grinder. Be very careful taking them out. Set them somewhere where they won't get lost or flushed down a drain. But you have to take them completely out. And then this mechanism here, this is a locking mechanism. It's locked. I made a mark. This is the locked position. To unlock it, you simply turn it counterclockwise. It turns that far. It's all greased up and it should work fine. It used to jam, it doesn't jam anymore. Turn it, that unlocks it. You grab the entire top part here and lift it off. You then remove the flapper. This is the flapper. It gets full of coffee and that's why it sprays everywhere. So you remove the flapper. If it's not too bad, you can go and wash it off with some soap. And you want to reinsert it with the smooth side facing the burrs. There's a rough side and there's a smooth side. You want the smooth side facing the burrs. If it's too bad, you stick another one in there, a brand new one in there, right down like that. Before you do that, if you want to blow air down in there, but don't ever stick anything down in there. You can blow air down in there, or you can take the flapper and you can just kind of knock the grounds out and they'll come out at the bottom. To put it back on, it's just the reverse of what we just did. Put this back on, it'll sit in, it'll find its way if you can remember where the adjustment is here on the numbers. Your lock, zoom in here, see it's unlocked, you can see that mark, it's unlocked. Lock it back into position. Be very careful with the screws. If you feel more comfortable shoving a rag down in here so that the screws don't go down in the grinder, and then you simply tighten these up. Just doesn't have to be super tight, just snug. Because they will start to strip out after a while. Replace your hopper and open that up for your beans. And that's it. It's that easy.